And now we wait. Over the last few days, I've made quite a few changes to the WAIvePulse application page. Here I set up a little limerick with some soul, made it a smooth choir with a bittersweet feel. And if we go down to the bottom here, we can go to the studio, which brings up this page. It separates the song into 6 tracks. It has multiple preset options, adds a limiter, exciter, creates a master, which tweaks a bunch of settings to give it some thickness. You can reset everything. You can export the mix after you've done tweaking, export the individual stems, even edit a help file with a bunch of hotkeys. You can also drag in tracks that you want to play with. Hold down the shift key, you can mute sections out. Click on them to clear them. You can play with the loop of a timeline. If you hit the loop button. And then, if you like what you have, the karaoke button. This is if you want to make a video, has a few different visual styles and the karaoke words up here. Make sure the volume's not full blast again. Turn the vocals on or off. You can change the styles with the in key.
There once was a fellow named Dwight who refused I in spite while the world zoomed ahead. He's still tight by hand instead. Now he's stuck writing memos all night.
You get the idea. Hey, leave me a comment if you have any questions or see any options that I missed with a simple AI music maker, editor, and player.
There once was a fellow named Dwight who refused I in spite while the world zoomed ahead. He's still tight by hand instead. Now he's stuck writing memos all night.